How to reset Snapchat password via phone number. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's move to the video. The first step is you need to open up your Snapchat application on your device. After opening up, you'll be able to see this interface. Since we are trying to reset the password of the account that we already have, you have to go for login option, which is in the right hand side of the lower button. After that, you'll be able to see the two text boxes where you have to enter your either username or email, and in the second text box you have to enter your password. So if you have forgotten your password and want to reset it via phone number, you have to simply tap on forget your password option at the button. There will be two options displayed, via phone or via email. You have to go for via phone. And after that, a text box will be displayed where you have to enter your phone number in which you want to receive your verification code. After entering, simply go for submit. After that, you'll receive a code on the phone number which you have entered, and by doing that you can see the code has been filled automatically and two boxes has been displayed over here. In this text box you need to enter your password that you want to set, and similarly in the second text box you need to enter your confirm password. After entering the password, simply go for submit. And by doing that, you can see the password has been changed, and now you can enter the password and log into your account. So by following this simple step, you can reset Snapchat password via phone number. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.